Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use the AI features in Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So for those who don't know what is Microsoft Clipchamp, it is a free video editor that comes with Windows 10 and Windows 11, and if you don't have it you can just go to the Microsoft store and download it for free. So it's super useful for quick edits, and recently they have launched some amazing AI features, so we're just going to try and test them if they are really effective. So here I'm having a sample video, and this video has a lot of fillers and pauses, so I will just play it now. So there's no audio over here now. Hey, hello everyone. There's a gap here. In this video I am going to show you that. That's it for this video. Yeah, so it's basically a mix of so many pauses and gaps and fillers. So they have a AI feature that can remove this automatically. So to use that feature, you're just going to click the video, right click, and you're having this auto cut. Or here you are having this AI suggestions. Just click that and the same option comes here. So as it clearly says, remove pauses and filler words. Just click that and it has detected 3 pauses. So if I play it, as you can see, there is no sound in this video, in this part of the video, to be honest. So these are some fillers. Fillers here also, fillers with pauses. So if you want to remove this, you can just click on remove. You can remove all at the same time. If you want to ignore this, you can click on ignore. So I will just click on remove. That's gone. This is also gone, and this is also gone. So now if I play this video, hey, hello everyone. You saw that, right? It has literally edited the part where I have paused. And if you ask me if this method is 100% efficient, I would say it's around 70% to 80% efficient, because as you can see, right, in this video we had a gap over there and it hasn't removed the gap entirely. So you can use this feature if you're having like to edit a 1 hour to 2 hour video. This could save you a lot of time, and make sure that you're also cross verifying it once and remove the gaps which it has actually missed to fill. So this is the first feature. And next is the noise suppression. So to use that, you can just right click and you can just click on audio and detach. This basically separates the audio from the video as a separate layer. Now just click on this audio and click on this audio over here. You're having this noise suppression thing. So it removes all the sounds, background sounds and echoes. Just enable this and you will automatically notice a difference. You can just try this out on your own. And next is the background removal of an image. So I'll just drag and drop an image and just come here and right click, and we are having this remove background. So if I click this, the background of the image just gets removed. Actually this works very well if the background is extremely distinct from the object that you want to remove. In my case I have got this, so I will just put it over here and I can just crop this image. I can literally like crop this like this. Yeah, so close like this. Yeah, that's it. This looks super good now. I have literally removed the background of this image, so you don't have to use another tool, download the background removed image, put it inside and use. So it's just inbuilt inside it. So this is a cool feature. And the next feature that they're having is automatic video editing. So to use this feature, you need to just go to the home, and here you can see we are having this create a video with AI. So we can just click this, and here you can basically drag and drop your videos. So in case if you have gone for a trip and you have like 5 to 10 videos, you can simply drag and drop them inside this. So I'll just click here, and I am having some videos from Dubai. So I'll just put this videos, and the average duration of these videos are around 30 to 1.5 minutes, 30 seconds to 1.5 minutes. So you can just try it out. I'll just open, and next is the title of the video. In my case I'm going with Dubai trip. Let me just put 2020, something like this, and just click on get started. So here we are having the style of the video. So if you want it vibrant, if you want to change it, you can change it like this: vintage, vibrant, classic, bold, something like this. So you can just select the one that suits you, and if you want to change it again, you can just click here like this. So let me just go with the bold, and I will just click on next, And here we are having the options to change the aspect ratio if it's landscape or the portrait, which is the TikTok format. And here also we are having the duration of the video, whether it's 30 seconds or 1 minute or full length. So this is the video that we are getting if I go with the landscape and full length. So it just adds the border and stuff with the music. It just mix and matches the videos like this. So you can just try it out if you really want to like have a quick edit. Not sure if this is like the best AI editor out there, but you can just give it a shot. And what if you want to have a quick edit, you can just try it and see how it gives you the output. So after this, just click on next and you can select the music. I'm not sure if this is like copyright free, but if you want new music, you can just click that also. And if you want to export it, you can just click on export. That will be exporting the video. Yeah, here you can see the download of that video has started. But if you go back and cancel the export, that video will be over here. So it basically will show how it has edited the video. So you'll be having the entire video available in the timeline like this. So you can even like make any manual edits over here. So you can do that also over here. So just try it out, and these are the AI features that I found in Clipchamp. And that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.